Imagine a dark and stormy night. Rain lashes down, driven by a furious wind. Suddenly the sky erupts in a blinding flash. A jagged bolt of lightning splits the sky, followed by a deafening roar of thunder. This is the raw power of nature, a force that has fascinated and terrified humanity since the dawn of time. For centuries, lightning was a mystery, a source of both wonder and fear. It could illuminate the night sky with its brilliance, but it could also strike down trees and buildings with terrifying force. What was this strange and powerful phenomenon? Early civilizations could only marvel at the spectacle of lightning. They did not understand what they were seeing. They could only weave stories and myths around it, attempting to explain the unexplainable. Yet the human desire for knowledge burned brightly. It would only be a matter of time before curiosity overcame fear, leading to the quest to understand the true nature of lightning. The journey to unravel the secrets of lightning is a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of understanding the universe. It is a story that takes us from ancient myths to groundbreaking scientific discoveries, forever changing our relationship with the natural world. Across the globe, ancient cultures developed their own unique myths and legends to explain the awe-inspiring power of lightning. These tales, often steeped in superstition, reflect the deep reverence and fear that lightning inspired. They offer a glimpse into the rich tapestry of human imagination and our early attempts to make sense of the world around us. In Norse mythology, Thor, the god of thunder, commanded the skies with his mighty hammer, Mjolnir. Lightning was believed to be the result of Thor striking his hammer, producing thunderous claps and illuminating the heavens. This image of a powerful god wielding the force of lightning resonated deeply with the Viking people who lived in a land where storms were a common occurrence. The ancient Greeks attributed lightning to Zeus, the king of the gods. Zeus, often depicted with a lightning bolt in his hand, was said to hurl these bolts from Mount Olympus, punishing those who angered him. Lightning, in Greek mythology, represented the unbridled power of the gods and served as a reminder of their dominion over mortals. In Hindu mythology, Indra, the king of the gods, was associated with lightning and storms. He wielded the Vajra, a mythical weapon said to have been made from the bones of a sage. Indra used the Vajra to unleash the power of lightning, defeating his enemies and bringing rain to the parched earth. These are just a few examples of the countless myths surrounding lightning. They demonstrate the universality of this natural phenomenon and the profound impact it had on ancient cultures worldwide. While these myths may seem fanciful today, they were deeply ingrained in the beliefs of these civilizations, shaping their understanding of the natural world and their place within it. The mid-18th century marked a turning point in our understanding of lightning. While previous explanations relied on mythology and superstition, a new era of scientific inquiry emerged, challenging long-held beliefs and paving the way for groundbreaking discoveries. At the forefront of this scientific revolution stood Benjamin Franklin, a polymath whose insatiable curiosity and inventive spirit would forever change our understanding of electricity. Franklin, intrigued by the nature of lightning, suspected that it might be a form of electricity. This radical notion challenged the prevailing wisdom of the time, and to prove his hypothesis, Franklin devised a daring experiment. In 1752, amidst a brewing thunderstorm, Franklin, accompanied by his son, flew a kite equipped with a metal key. As the storm raged, lightning struck the kite, traveling down the wet string to the key. Franklin observed a spark, confirming his theory that lightning was indeed electrical in nature. This simple yet elegant experiment revolutionized our understanding of electricity, demonstrating its presence not just in laboratories but also in the natural world. Franklin's experiment was a watershed moment in the history of science. It not only unveiled the true nature of lightning, but also paved the way for the invention of the lightning rod, a device that would save countless lives by safely redirecting lightning strikes to the ground. His work inspired generations of scientists to further explore the mysteries of electricity, leading to countless technological advancements that shape our modern world. The dissemination of scientific knowledge played a crucial role in advancing our understanding of lightning and other natural phenomena. The invention of the printing press in the 15th century revolutionized the way information was shared, breaking down geographical barriers and making knowledge accessible to a wider audience. Before the printing press, scientific discoveries were often confined to monasteries and universities, circulating slowly through handwritten manuscripts. This limited the spread of new ideas and hampered scientific progress. The printing press, however, allowed for the mass production of books and pamphlets, enabling scientific ideas to reach a wider audience, including scholars, intellectuals, and the general public. The impact of the printing press on the scientific revolution cannot be overstated. It facilitated the rapid dissemination of groundbreaking works like Nicolaus Copernicus's De Revolutionibus Orbium Coelestium, which challenged the long-held geocentric view of the universe. Similarly, Andreas Vesalius's anatomical drawings in De Humani Corporis Fabrica revolutionized the understanding of the human body. These works, made widely available through the printing press, challenged established dogma and inspired new generations of scientists. The printing press also played a crucial role in spreading awareness of Benjamin Franklin's discoveries about electricity. His experiments and findings, documented in books and pamphlets, quickly reached a global audience, sparking widespread interest in the study of electricity and its practical applications. The printing press, by democratizing access to knowledge, became a powerful catalyst for scientific progress.